In Lytrod Software, you are able to multi-up your variable application as well as define the exact placement of your application when using specialty stocks, like the perforated ticket stock used in this event ticket application. Here you see my completed design of one variable event ticket. To start defining multi-up settings, first I need to create a job. I go to File, New Job, and my job tree is where I can define all my multi-up and other print property settings. First, I'm going to enable the multi-up folder to define the multi-up settings. I select None, and then click Add to enable more options. Multi-up settings can be defined in both the rows and columns. For this application, I'm only going to be repeating the rows. So I select the Rows option, and from the Edit Information drop-down, select the number of times I'd like this ticket to be repeated on one page. So I'm going to select 4, click Update. When using specialty stocks, like in this instance, this ticket application uses a perforated ticket stock, it's also necessary to define the margins. By selecting the Margin option, it's currently set to No, but by selecting Yes from the Edit Information drop-down, clicking Update, it will enable more margin options. So first I'm going to define the left margin, which I know is 0.627 inches. Click Update. Define my top margin, which is 1 inch. Click Update again. There's no right margin, but the bottom margin is also going to be 1 inch, so I click Update again. And the last step is defining the paper size of the end result substrate that you will be printing on. So I do this by selecting None, clicking Add to enable more options, change the orientation by selecting the Orientation option. I'm going to select Portrait from the Edit Information drop-down, click Update to update this information. And the second bullet where it says Custom, right now it is set to the width and height of one ticket, but I'd like to set it to a different paper size. So I select that option. And from the Edit Information drop-down, you can select either a predefined paper size or type in your desired paper size. In this instance, I'm using a standard 8.5 by 11 sheet paper. Click Update to update this information. And now all my multi-up properties are complete. When I save to VIP, you'll see the end result produces a multi-up application with specified margins.